Hi there, Charlotte Weather Ranger Mike Griffith here with you. It's September 3rd, Saturday, around 8:30 p.m. And I just want to take a look at some of the stuff back here on the U.S. mainland. We've been talking a lot about the tropics recently, but I want to focus on temperature trends here according to ensemble models. Right here, we're looking at the European ensemble model, and we're going to take it a little bit into the future. Right now, a cold temperature anomaly here at the surface due to the fact of Hermine, which is causing clouds and rain and some drawing in some cooler air from Canada. So that's why we're seeing the cool anomalies right now across the U.S. Eastern U.S. anyway. Let's take it a little bit into the future. And what I wanted to show you here was how we warm up again heading into September 5th, which is next week. And as we go into next week and later next week, the trend is much warmer than usual here in the eastern part of the United States. So we could be generating another heat wave into next week. We're looking at Wednesday, September 7th right here. And as we take it further into the future, that heat builds here across the eastern U.S. and even up into New England and Canada as well. We're looking at Ontario right here. Mostly warmer here in the east, though, than anywhere else. And we're looking at that trend to continue into Friday of next week. And even next weekend, it looks like that ridge is still going to hang tough. But what this is showing me is that there could be a Canadian air mass front coming through next weekend, so we might have to look out for some showers and thunderstorms, even some that are in the realm of the possibly severe category, as a cold front will make its way down into the northeast, the deep northeast, as we head into next weekend. Let's look at the Canadian ensembles as well, and as we look at the height average right here, let's take it into the 2 meter temperature anomaly, and we get just temperature readings here as well. Okay, so we can take it into the longer range, but I want to keep this more into the short range climate discussion. Again, the Canadian has the heat wave here as we head into next week, and it looks like that heat wave is going to be interrupted as we go into the weekend next week. There's the heat wave right there, and as that heat continues into the weekend, as the European said, we will have to watch for a cold front to sweep this high and this heat out to sea. Now, the Canadian here is a little bit later with the timing of that front, and it thinks that we remain. However, the GEFS is also thinking that we're going to see a cool down into next weekend as well. So that's what we're looking at right now, is some heat as we head into next week, and then we're going to see a cool down, a temporary cool down with an autumn-like air mass as we head into next weekend. That's all for now. Charlotte Weather Ranger, meteorologist Mike Griffith. Take care.